Hello and welcome to Grade School Quiz Factory, the channel where you can test your math skills. In this video, we are going to focus on division. Division is a way of sharing something into equal parts. So stay tuned and let's get started. First, what is division? Number 2. What is the dividend in a division problem? Number 3. Solve the following division problem. 8 divided by 2 equals blank. Moving on to number 4. Solve the following division problem. 12 divided by 3 equals blank. Number 5. What is the quotient in a division problem? Number 6. Solve the following division problem. 15 divided by 5 equals blank. For number 7, solve the following division problem. 16 divided by 4 equals blank. For question number 8, what is the divisor in a division problem? Moving on to number 9. Solve the following division problem. 21 divided by 7 equals blank. And lastly, solve the following division problem. 27 divided by 9 equals blank. You have completed the quiz successfully. Congratulations! Now let's check your answers and see how you did. Well done! Now, it's time to say goodbye for now. But don't worry, we'll be back with another fun and educational video soon. Stay tuned and keep learning. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this one. We appreciate your support. See you next time. Bye-bye.